Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Tony. Today I'd like to teach you how to do coding while you are learning English, okay? Yes, today we're gonna make a game, a simple game. We call it Cat and the Mouse, okay? So here, first of all, I'd like to guide you how to choose two sprites or two characters, okay? The first one is the cat, number two is the mouse. We choose a sprite, and then we type in here how to spell cat. Yes, very good. It's C-A-T. And then we choose the normal cat like this. Okay. We have a cat here, okay? And then we choose the second sprite. How to spell mouse? It's M-O-U-S-E. Yes, we click this one. So we have cat and a mouse, okay? And don't forget to change the backdrop. Where do you usually cat and the mouse chasing each other? Yes, usually at house. Maybe in our house, maybe in somebody's house. We can choose either bedroom 1, 2 or 3. Okay, we choose bedroom 1 like this. So we have two sprites or two characters. Yeah, the cat and the mouse, and also a very fancy backdrop, namely the bedroom. Okay, so later the mission is the cat will chase the mouse in order to get some points. Okay, here we go. We click the cat first, and then we enable the cat to have some motions like going up, going down, going right, and going left. Okay, how to do so? We click the events. So here, when a key is pressed, okay, an action will be performed by a certain sprite or character. Namely, I click here, cat. So when, for example, the right arrow key pressed, okay, right means like this. So in mathematics, yeah, the horizontal lines, we call it X. So later the motion, when right arrow key pressed, okay, so change X, the horizontal line, by 10. 10 means 10 steps, okay, to the right like this. Yeah. And then what happened if we try to press, for example, left arrow? It will be going to the left. Yeah. In horizontal line in mathematics, okay, the positive value is the right. Meanwhile, the negative is the left. Yes. So when we choose here, when the left arrow is pressed, okay, and then we try to decide the motion. The motion will be change X by, not by 10, but by minus 10. Yeah. Why minus 10? Because it will be going to the left. Let's see, have a simulation. I try to press the key, the arrow key, the right, like this. Okay, and then the left like this. Okay, and then we try to set or enable the cat to move up and down. Yes, so we'll change the movement of Y. This one is the x-axis horizontal line. Meanwhile, the Y line is the vertical line. Up is positive, down is negative. Okay, so like this. We click the events again. So when up arrow key is pressed, so later a certain motion will be performed by the first sprite or the first character. Yes, we choose change Y, okay, by 10. Yeah, because up is positive. Yeah. Meanwhile, we choose another key to be pressed. It is down arrow. Yeah, the down is negative, of course. Yeah, when down arrow key is pressed here, and the down arrow key is pressed, it will be moving down, or we set the Y into minus. Change Y by not 10 but minus 10. See here, minus 10. Then you can see the cat can be up, down, right, to chase after the cat, the mouse, yeah, like this. And then we later try to set the mouse to go randomly in any position by the time the green flag or the start button is pressed. Okay, so the events like this: when the green flag or the start button is clicked, okay, what happened? We decide the motion here. We decide the motion. Okay, so it can be go, move, turn, okay, go to random position, or glide, okay, to random position. The smaller we put the number here, so the faster it will be, like 0.1 seconds to random positions. Let's have a simulation like this. Okay, what about if we try to make it forever moving? We click the control button, so we have wait, repeat, forever, if condition, wait until, it's just forever, like this. When the green flag button is clicked, it will be forever gliding. Yeah, 0.1 seconds to random position. Look at this. See, it will be, yes, it will be the task of the cat to chase the mouse. Yeah, next we need to make the scoring. Okay, this is the way how to make the scoring. We click the variable like this, okay, and then we decide. We click the cat. Yeah. First of all, we make a variable, namely score, SCORA. Okay, like this. Yeah, and then we have it, and then we make the events. So when the green flag is clicked, and then what happened to the score? Of course, we set the score to 0 first. Yeah, it will be 0 when the green flag is clicked. Okay, and then what happened later? Yeah, when the green flag is clicked, okay, but what about when it touches the mouse? Yeah, of course, later we'll change the variable into, yes, which will change the variable into 1, but we have to decide first in here, not set my variable, but set score. And then we make, look at here, forever. Okay, and then we make the if condition like this. If the cat touches the mouse, of course the score will be adding up to 1. We click sensing. Yeah, if the cat touch what? Yeah, the mouse, then what? Then the score will be adding up. Yeah, change the score by 1 like this, guys. Okay, and we drag it to forever like this. Oh, don't forget the sound. Okay, play sounds like, not meow, of course. If touching the mouse, play sound meow. Okay, or collecting point, just meow. Okay, no problem. Okay, so we try to make a simulation, guys. This is it, the game of cat and the mouse. Okay, we click the green flag. Okay, look at the score is adding up to 4. Maybe the mouse is too fast, so we change the glide into 0.5, for example. Okay, yeah, and then we try to simulate again. Look at this. Yes. Yes. Okay.